Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mariyana Fitria Nurmalisa and you can call me Lisa. I'm come from Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. UHAMKA University. In this opportunity, I want to talk about probability.
Math subject for high school, probability. I have a motivation for you. No one has the ability to do something perfectly, but each person is given a lot of opportunities to do something right. And then each opportunity doesn't knock, but a door. Kurt Cobain. Table contents probability. 1. Introduction to probability. Formula for probability, conditional probability, probability tree, finding hidden data, and the last is exercise. What is this topic about? The chance that something will happen, how likely it is that some event will occur. Sometimes we can measure a probability with a number like 10% chance, or we can use words such as impossible, unlikely, possible, even chance, likely, and so on. For example, it is unlikely to rain tomorrow. As a number, probability is from 0 is impossible to 1 is certain. You can look the picture. And then formula for probability. The probability formula is defined as the possibility of an event to happen is equal to the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes and the total number of outcomes. The formula is probability of an event happening equal to number of ways it can happen divided by total number of outcomes. And then independent events. Event can be independent, meaning its event is not affected by any other event. For example, tossing a coin. Each toss of a coin is a perfect isolated thing. What it did in the past will not affect the current toss. The chance is simple 1 in 2 or 50%, just like any toss of the coin, so its toss is an independent event. And then, for example, marbles in a bag. 2 blue and 3 red marbles are in a bag. What are the chances of getting a blue marble? The chance is 2 in 5. Look at the picture. But after taking one out, the chance changed. So, the next time, if we got a red marble before, then the chance of a blue marble next is 2 in 4. And if we got a blue marble before, then the chance of a blue marble next is 1 in 4. This is because we are removing marbles from the bag. So the next event depends on what happened in the previous event and is called dependent. Replacement. Note: if we replace the marbles in the bag each time, then the chances do not change and the events are independent. With replacement, the events are independent if the chances don't change. Without replacement, the events are dependent if the changes change. And then tree diagram. A tree diagram is a wonderful way to picture what is going on. So let's build one for our marbles example. There's a 2 divided 5 chance of pulling out a blue marble and a 3 divided by 5 chance for red, you can look the picture 1. We can go one step further and see what happens when we pick a second marble. You can look the picture 2. If a blue marble was selected first, there is no 1 divided by 4 chance of getting a blue marble and a 3 divided by 4 chance of getting a red marble. If a red marble was selected first, there is no 2 divided by 4 chance of getting a blue marble and a 2 divided by 4 chance of getting a red marble. Now we can answer questions like what are the chances of drawing 2 blue marbles? The answer is it is a 2 divided by 5 chance followed by a 1 divided by 4 chance. You can look the picture. Did you see how we multiplied the chance and got 1 divided by 10 as a result? The chance of drawing 2 blue marbles is 1 divided by 10. And then notation. We love notation in mathematics. It means we can then use the power of algebra to play around with the ideas. So here is the notation for probability. PA means probability of even A. In our marbles example, even A is get a blue marble first with a probability of 2 divided by 5 and PA equals to 2 divided by 5 and even B is get a blue marble second. But for that we have two choices. If we got a blue marble first, the chance is now 1 divided by 4. If we got a red marble first, the chance is now 2 divided by 4. So we have to say which one we want and use the symbol absolute to mean given. P B absolute A means even B given even A. In other words, even has already happened. Now what is the chance of even B? P B absolute A is also called the conditional probability of P given A, and in our case P B absolute A equals to 1 divided by 4, so the probability of getting 2 blue marble is 1 divided by 10. And write it as probability P is probability and A even A and B even B and absolute is given. Probability of even A and even B equals the probability of even A times the probability of even B given even. Example, drawing 2 kings from a deck. Even A is drawing a king first and even B is drawing a king second. For the first card, the chance of drawing a king is 4 out of 52. There are 4 kings in a deck of 52 cards. PA equals to 4 divided by 52. But after removing a king from the deck, the probability of the second card drawn is less likely to be a king. Is only 3 of the 51 cards left are kings. So, the chance of getting 2 kings is 1 in 221 or about 0.5%. And then finding hidden data. And we have another useful formula. the probability of even B given even A equals the probability of even A and even B divided by the probability of even A. For example, 70% of your friends like chocolate and 35% like chocolate and like strawberry. What percent of those who like chocolate also like strawberry? The answer is 0.35 divided by 0.7 equals to 50%. 50% of your friends who like chocolate also like strawberry. And then I have a exercise for you. Exercise 1, exercise 2, and then this is a resources. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.